Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta without cheese, step by step. Many people enjoy pasta, but not everyone wants or can have cheese. This guide will show you how to prepare satisfying and delicious pasta dishes that are completely dairy-free. We will cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to crafting flavorful sauces, ensuring your meal is both enjoyable and easy to make. Let's get started. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 pound of your preferred dried pasta, such as spaghetti, fettuccine, or penne. For equipment, a large 5 to 6 quart pot is ideal for boiling, along with a colander for draining and a wooden spoon for stirring. Don't forget key flavor enhancers like 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, several cloves of fresh garlic, and your favorite fresh herbs. Now let's cook your pasta to perfection. First, bring 4 quarts of cold water to a rolling boil in your large pot. Once boiling, add 1.5 tablespoons of kosher salt. This seasons the pasta from within. Add your pasta and cook it according to the package instructions, typically for 8 to 12 minutes until it's al dente, meaning to the tooth. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1 cup of the starchy cooking water. Finally, create a delicious dairy-free sauce to complement your pasta. For a simple option, sauté 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add your cooked pasta to the pan with the sauce, incorporating a few tablespoons of the reserved pasta water to help it emulsify and cling to the noodles. Finish your dish with fresh herbs like basil or parsley, or a sprinkle of toasted breadcrumbs for texture. Enjoy your flavorful, cheese-free pasta.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.